channel Mathematics. Now we are going to learn here assertion and reason questions. Now this is a new typology which CBSE has released, which we have to do. Now in this assertion and reason, before doing this question, first of all we will understand what is assertion and reason and how to deal with this type of question. So in assertion and reason question, two statements will be given to you. One is called assertion, the other one is called reason, right? And four options will be given to you. First option says both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B says both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. And what C says, A is true and R is false. What D says, A is false and R is true. So what it means? So when we have to check which option is the correct option, first of all, what is to do? We have to read this carefully. Means first of all, you have to check assertion and check is the assertion true. If suppose assertion has come out to be true, then you will check is reason true. If suppose reason is also true, assertion is true, reason is also true, then it means out of these two should be there. Both A and R true. Out of these two something will be the answer. But if you see here what is given, R is the correct explanation, R is not the correct explanation. So then we have to check is the R correct explanation of this? Means is this reason of this or not? Because it may be true, but it may possible that this statement is true, but this is not the correct explanation of this. Right? So we have to check this. Now it may possible that assertion is true. When you solved it and you got that assertion is coming true, then you will check for reason and reason has come false. Means reason statement is false. Right? If assertion is true and reason is false, this option will be the answer. Now it may possible that this assertion is wrong and this is true. So what will be the answer? D option. So let us start now. The first question which I have already written here. So here if you see, let's read the statement. What is given to you? The decimal expansion of 63 by 45 will terminate. As you know, we have already done how to express the rational numbers into decimal expansion. So first of all, if you see what is to do here, if you don't know about it, you may see the video which I have uploaded. The link will be in the description box. So first of all, we will check 63 by 45. So 63 by 45, first of all we have to check is this in the lowest form. Lowest form means is there something common? If you see there is common thing here. So let us write here the prime factorization of 45. Right? So it will be what? It will be 3, 3 and 5. Right? 3, 3 and 5. So if you see there is common and this is cancelling also. So what is coming here? 7 on 5. 7 upon 5. So what is this? 7 by 5. So what is denominator including here? This denominator having 5 only. So we know that whenever some decimal expansion is terminating decimal expansion, so the denominator should be of the form this. And where m and n, one of them can be 0 at a time. So here if you see 2 is not there, one of them should be there. So if you see 5 is there. If both will be there, even though it will terminate. So if we see here 5 is there, so it means this will definitely terminate. So this statement has come true. So what we get here? Assertion is true. Now if you see this statement, let us read it. In any rational number P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime means the HCF 1, means in the lowest form after cancellation. If the prime factorization of Q is of the form this, where M and N are whole numbers, will represent terminating decimal expansion. Very true. We used this statement to prove this, to find out is this terminating or not. It means what happened, this assertion has come out to be true. And with it we saw that we use this to find out the terminate or not terminate this decimal expansion. We used this statement only. Yes? So that's why, what is this? It means this is the correct explanation of this, because we used it to find out this, right? So it means here assertion is true and reason is also true. So the first option will be the right answer, because the first option is saying R is the correct explanation, and this is what we used to find out the decimal expansion, right? So it means answer of this question is A option. Fine. Now this is your second question on assertion and reason. Now let's start doing it. But I hope now you have now a little bit understanding of assertion and reason, right? So let us do it. So assertion is given to you. The number is an irrational number. So first of all we have to think that the decimal expansion of irrational number is of which type? Is this of this type? Yes. The irrational number's decimal expansion is always non-terminating and non-repeating, right? Because here is 0.01, 001, 0001. So this is not repeating. So it means whatever the statement is given to you is a true statement. It's a true statement. Now let us check for the reason. Now here what is given to you? The decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating and repeating. Very right statement. So this is about rational number. So this statement is also a true statement. If you guys don't know about rational numbers and irrational numbers decimal expansion, then you may check my video which I'll give, whose link I'll give in the description box, right? So this is what? Rational number, which the statement is true. This is also true. Now both are true, but here if you see, they are talking about irrational number, but here what is about? Rational numbers. So here irrational number, here rational number. So how will this be the correct explanation of this? No, this is not the correct explanation of this. Therefore, the answer will be B option. The right answer will be B option. Now, in the next video, we will continue with the assertion and reason questions only, so that we will understand it deeply and there will be no problem in doing these types of questions. So, till then, enjoy mathematics. Thank you so much.